As regular visitors to the internet, we've all seen a ton of videos of animals being cute, heroic, or really funny. Sorry to break it to you guys, but a lot of animals are total fucking dickheads. Meanwhile, this camel tried to jump onto a car in the middle of the road and fakes a serious injury. I've never seen two guys more happy to get railed by a ram than these Russians. Finally, this depressing video shows us that wild animals are the biggest douchebags.
Running head down, the herd's only thought is escape. A stroke of luck for the wolves.
I know there's the whole survival of the fittest thing, but that bison was the biggest cunt plunger I've ever seen.